Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 28th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and psychic and celebrity tarot reader, to be very fucking honest. Okay, Gemini, this is your channel. Gemini, I feel like you are a well-kept man. You are not this boss. You're not this gangster. Gemini, you don't know the streets. The fuck? You don't know what it's like in these fucking streets, okay? Anyways, I don't know. I feel like something is, but I don't know, because can make men do change into superheroes. You understand? There's a lot of things. See, there's power in the, and especially when a man is in the right, he will gain access to powers he did not know he fucking had. Nevertheless, let us go ahead into your channel song. And what's that, homie? You don't know he's a boy Plies, man. I want to tell you about my homie, and you can tell me about mine. Even though I'm not your man, you're not my girl, I'm gonna call you my shawty. Cause I can't stand to see him treating bad. I beat her ass for my baby. And we ain't doing nothing that we ain't supposed to do. Cause he my, whoa. Baby, coming on the ringtone, give me on the ringtone, shawty. Sing it. Soon as I see that shit, told him I paid for it. The mama's baddest thing around and he already know it. I pointed at the dog and tell it it's supposed to be his. I told them I tell him I let him hold it. The hottest bitch in the city, baby, you can't ignore it. I told him I was the real Jenny waiting for it. First time he see me, he have to act right. Now he an animal, I got a sex game right. I told him how to talk to me while he take and open up and show him what a real bitch like. I told him not to do this fuck shit on the first night. Cause after I fuck you, baby, I'm allowed to fuck up your whole life. I got a damn rip, now he suck me with ice. I tell him about to give a bus, cause he keep it. And gotta tell him the bus, and gotta tell him twice. And then how you get me off, shawty got me. Even though I'm not your baby, not my man, I'm gonna call him my baby. Cause I can't stand to see him treated bad. I beat her ass for my baby. And we ain't doing nothing that we ain't supposed to do. Cause he my, whoa. Baby girl, you know I've been home. Give me on the ringtone, shawty. Say it to me. Oh, 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 oh. We can beg you, babe, you can turn down a little bit, please. Well, let me watch TV. You can give me 3 more down. You can down a little bit more. Yeah? I just don't want it to, I don't want it for echo in on this. Julian, I don't want it echo in on this. Hold on. Sorry. I cannot stop this streaming. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and read it. Let's go. So I'm getting, even though you're not their girl, they're not your man. They never claim you. There's no pictures on social media. And if there were pictures, it's side by side. It's not pictures with you and them in the same slot. Okay, so I'm getting someone who beats his or her ass for the shorty, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and go. So you're right.
Stop bitching at me.
So let's go. So the first card out is a Knight of Wands. So I'm getting that's what you want. You want an arrangement. So the Knight of Wands like to chase though. Somebody like to chase you down. So I'm getting somebody feels very excited when you make them wait. Or when you withhold something from them. Alright, so we have the Knight of Wands first. We're getting Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius, or something like that. We have the 9 of Cups also. We're getting that is their wish fulfillment. Maybe somebody don't want a relationship from you. Somebody just wants like an arrangement, okay? We have the Hermit, and I'm getting keeping it confidential and secret. I'm getting someone want you to be available anytime that they want to have sex
Stop
with you.
bitching at me.
Julia, you back to the office.
On radio. I'm a human being. And stop treating me like I'm not fucking human.
I don't want to stop it. I don't want to stop it. I'm not going to stop it. This is how I live every day. Okay? Great. Anyways, so yeah. So me getting basically somebody want you to have an arrangement with them.
Bitching at me. On radio.
Julia, you alright? You okay, babe? You okay? You alright? So basically that's what I'm getting. We're getting somebody want you keep it secretive. Them don't want you tell anybody that them actually want to have this arrangement with you all the time. Yeah, the angel. I'm getting something like healing sex or something like that. I'm getting also somebody believe that you're defenseless, so they need to protect you. No, I keep seeing this Virgo showing up in everybody reading, and I don't know if Virgo is the person who's just watching everything play out or them secretly intervening and fucking up shit. Like somebody that instigates shit. It might be a Virgo. If it's not a Virgo, it's a Leo. We're getting somebody that instigates some shit, okay? But at the same time, Knight of Swords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're getting 3 other man. I'm getting three other men is saying that you're with them. Or 3 men been saying that, yeah, we met. Okay, we're getting 3 men saying that in the same week, on the same day, you met them. And them saying that cannot be possible. Because we're getting this person telling you, oh yeah, I want you tonight, I want you today, and you fulfill the wish. Then we see the hermit, like you go missing with the hermit. Am I getting the hermit to cover for you? I don't know what the fuck this is. All I know is that somebody wants you to be their shoddy. You're not going to be with them. They're not going to claim you, but they want you when they want. And I believe that if you need backative, they will defend you, okay? That's straight up, okay? This shit kind of fucked me up, you know? And we have the 6 of Wands. Let me hurry up, you hear?
Like, what's wrong with you? Do you need to come or something? Like,
We have Virgo. This is something about the hermits. We have Guru.
And instead, like, all of London, Ontario is talking about, like...
And one more, just one more. Maybe friends, maybe more. I'm going to leave it here. Bye.